Yes, it is. Alan Spector here with longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olson. For Olson on Law, we bring it to you every Tuesday and Thursday at this time. Tom, good morning.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, Tom, here's our topic. If your neighbor's tree falls on your house or car, who's responsible to pay for the damage done?
Assuming it was an act of God, nobody saw it coming, then you would be responsible for repairs of your own car or house, even if it was your neighbor's tree. Actually, hopefully your insurance company would pay for the repairs.
All right, I'm going to bring up a question I mentioned earlier. Is it okay if I run over and punch my neighbor in the face after that happens?
That would not be a good idea.
All right, I will take your word for that. Being an attorney, you would know. Okay, so, my neighbor has a dead tree in his yard. Am I supposed to just wait around for it to come crashing down?
If you see that your neighbor's tree is dead or a branch of it is dead, then you would want to write your neighbor a letter by certified mail. And if you do that, and if that dead tree or dead branch causes damage to your house or your car, then your neighbor would be responsible for the damages done.
All right, next question, Tom. My irresponsible neighbor, as it turns out, he has branches hanging over my property line. Can I trim the branches on his tree?
Florida property law says that your property line goes up into space and down to the center of the earth. So you are allowed to trim any branches or roots that are coming over onto your property as long as you're reasonable about it.
And again, Tom, to reiterate, it's not okay to go punch your neighbor in the face.
I highly do not recommend that, Alan.
All right. If you have legal questions about who you can punch in the face, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show, heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. here on News Radio WFLA Orlando. I'm really not a violent man. And you can catch the Zoom version of Tom and me on our social media platforms. Tom, thanks so much. We'll see you next time.
You're welcome, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.